This tutorial I'm going to teach you how to design a book cover. So designing a book cover, you can get clients for this and design a professional cover for them and get some stipend for that work. So right here we are going to pick or select a template. So putting up design on Canva, all you need is creativity. So right here we are going to change the name of the author to Ademo. So Ademo, that's my name. So I'm going to the title of the course, the graphics design pro art. So that's the title of my book, right? So here I can change the background to something that match what I do. So apart from picking, so after choosing the background I preferred, so I have to change color of my text right there. So I'm going to change every text over there to white. I'm going to change, this is text size. So I'm going to change everything over there to white. Text color white. Text color white. So here I'm editing the name to how I got myself a professional graphics design skills. So right here I don't really like what I have here, so I'm going to import some image graphics design img. Okay, so I'm going to import some images here, right here. Let me go ahead and add graphics. So we've got an image there. Right here, the book cover is ready. So designing with Canva, all you need is creativity. So here we have been able to design a book cover. So in the next tutorial, I will teach how to design a professional logo. But this book cover like this is not really ready, so you can just download this image. I'm actually being um, skeptical if this mobile site will work. Mobile site, because so after designing a cover like this, you have to mock it up so that it will look like it is being placed on a book. So you can do that by entering your browser www.mockupdesign.com. So if you click on that, you'll be able to get book cover to use this as a mockup. Okay, so we have done with the download. Let's see if we will be able to do that right now. So I'm going to my browser. I'll open another tab. Smart Mockup. So here is the website. I'm going to search for okay. I'm going to search for a book cover. So this is the website. We are having slow loading because it was on a mobile phone. I told you already before that I don't know if this site will be already working well on mobile. So right here you can just place those design you make on Canva. So you're uploading them here, that will enable you to mock it up. So they will show as if they were placed. So let's upload the image we designed and download from Canva. So as you can see, actually we're supposed to design another image for this, but we try and use this as well. So right here, we make it look like a book cover, like we really design. Okay, so that's how to mock it up. You can now click on download. The site is free. Smartmockup.com is free. So let's open it. on an iPhone. So you successfully design a book cover. Thanks for staying tuned for this tutorial. Next tutorial I'm going to post how to design a professional logo. Please ensure that you subscribe so that you get notified whenever I post new video on this channel. Thanks.